Welcome to Auto Turbowheels. Today we're diving into something that's bound to shake the entire muscle car world. The 2026 Dodge Coronet 426 HEMI, a reborn American legend with fire-breathing power, retro-inspired design, and the kind of attitude that makes your heart race just hearing its name. Dodge has done it again, taking the nostalgia of the golden muscle era and blending it with the latest automotive tech, making this car a modern-day beast in every sense. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Coronet, you can tell it's not just another performance car, it's a statement. Dodge has clearly drawn inspiration from the 1960s classic, but this new version feels futuristic, aggressive, and refined. The body has a wide stance, sculpted lines, and muscular haunches that scream dominance. The front fascia features a bold split grille with retro LED headlights that pay tribute to the original Coronet, but with a modern, menacing twist. The hood bulge houses a massive power plant underneath, proudly displaying 426 HEMI, badging, a name that carries legendary weight in American automotive history. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a 7.0-liter supercharged HEMI V8 engine, roaring with over 760 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. Dodge has kept the essence of raw power alive, but this isn't your old-school carbureted monster. It's equipped with hybrid assist technology, making it both brutally fast and surprisingly efficient. The electric boost eliminates turbo lag and adds instant torque at launch, propelling the Coronet from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. The sound of the exhaust is pure symphony, deep, thunderous, and unapologetically American. Transmission options include an 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters and, for purists, a 6-speed manual, because Dodge knows real muscle fans still crave that raw, connected feel. Power is sent to the rear wheels, but an optional all-wheel drive setup is available for those who want maximum traction. Whether you're tearing up the drag strip or cruising down Main Street, the 2026 Coronet feels like a modern daytime machine, blending vintage soul with futuristic performance. Step inside, and Dodge's craftsmanship truly shines. The cabin is a blend of retro cues and modern technology. The dashboard layout nods to the original design but integrates a massive 14-inch touchscreen with Dodge's latest Uconnect 6.0 system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a built-in performance data recorder for track enthusiasts. Premium leather seats with Alcantara inserts, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a luxurious yet aggressive atmosphere. The Coronet logo is subtly embedded into the headrests, reminding you you're sitting inside something special. Safety and driver assistance features haven't been forgotten either. The 2026 Coronet comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a full suite of performance-oriented sensors that adapt to your driving style. The suspension setup features adaptive dampers, allowing the car to switch from comfortable cruising to track-ready stiffness with a single touch. The Brembo performance brakes and sticky Pirelli tires ensure this powerhouse stops as well as it accelerates. But what really sets the 2026 Coronet 426 HEMI apart is its personality. It's not trying to be an electric hypercar or a futuristic experiment. It's unapologetically old-school muscle reimagined for today. The car's designers say it's built to honor Dodge's heritage while proving that combustion still has a soul in an era dominated by silence and electricity. And that's exactly what the Coronet delivers: soul, sound, and speed in perfect balance. On the road, the Coronet feels alive. Every gear change, every roar from the exhaust, every surge of acceleration makes you feel like you're piloting something from another era, but refined and controlled with modern precision. The electric boost smooths out power delivery, while the steering feels sharp and communicative. It's the kind of car that turns every drive into an event, a performance, a celebration of American power. For collectors and enthusiasts, the 2026 Dodge Coronet 426 HEMI is more than just a car. It's a symbol of rebellion against the rise of quiet EVs. It's Dodge reminding the world that muscle cars aren't going extinct, they're evolving. With limited production expected, this car will likely become an instant classic, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge performance engineering. So, if you've ever dreamed of hearing that legendary HEMI growl one more time, but with the refinement and technology of the modern age, the 2026 Dodge Coronet 426 HEMI might just be your dream come true. A true muscle car reborn for the future, it stands as proof that the heartbeat of American horsepower still thunders strong. This is the dawn of a new legend, the return of raw power, roaring engines, and tire-shredding adrenaline. The 2026 Dodge Coronet 426 HEMI is here to remind the world what real muscle feels like.